Uh, Tattoos. They're an art form and expression. Remember that one scene in Dude, Where's My Car, where the characters check their tattoos and one reads "sweet," the other dude. It's comedy, but it raises questions about the meaning we assign to them. We often hear people asking, "What does my tattoo say?" It's not uncommon to feel a disconnect between intention and interpretation. Sometimes it's language, sometimes context, and the pain point is the permanence of a misunderstood message etched onto your skin. Um, Imagine getting a tattoo in another language, thinking you're inking courage, but ending up with noodles. A complete horror story, right? Hard to always consult a native speaker or a reputable translator before the needle meets the skin. Tattoos are statements, sometimes bold, often deeply personal. Me and but what if others see them differently than intended? Statistics show that nearly 30% of tattooed individuals regret at least one of their tattoos because of this very disconnect. I see the allure of a foreign script is undeniable. It adds mystique, but if misinterpreted, it becomes a punchline. Double check every dot and line. Even a tiny error can result in a vastly different meaning. Precision is key. Pain points typically arise when taglines or characters are chosen hastily. A screencast of tips, research, verify, and test with multiple resources. Your tattoo artist shouldn't be your only stop. Take a proactive approach to avoid unexpected surprises. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I make sure mine says what I intend? Start by brainstorming clear ideas. The key here, articulate them to an artist renowned for their linguistic accuracy. One wrong curl or stroke can change everything. A great tool is to visualize your tattoo via mock-ups or digital previews, and imagine seeing it from various angles. Does it still communicate what you want? Tech tools today offer these previews acting like a screencast of your future ink. Think of your tattoo as a conversation starter. A powerful piece can engage people in unexpectedly meaningful dialogues. Have your answers ready, but more importantly, ensure they align with what you want to convey. Now, that's impact value. There's an interesting social aspect. Tattoos are communal. They invite questions and stories. They're a way we connect. So when someone asks, "What does yours say?" Ensure you're pleased with your answer. Your response becomes part of your narrative, and remember, a tattoo is an investment, not just in terms of cost, but in the message you choose to carry with you. It's a part of who you are and how you present yourself. Let it be a proclamation of personal truth, however defined. Living in Portland, I've seen countless tattoos with deep meanings and equally interesting misinterpretations. Sometimes the story behind a misread tattoo is as engaging as the tale it was supposed to tell. So embrace your ink and ensure it speaks your truth.